Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com and a quick futures trading tutorial using our Cradle2Grave bundles. So the expert algo to give you signals and then using the manager to in fact manage the trade. So very simple. Gold this morning, momentum builds, 4-star, 5-star, 6-star sell on the expert. Lots, momentum's building. A 6-star has 12 out of 12 points of control, a 5 has 11. 4-star has 10 out of 12, so still strong signals. This pivot is really, for me, the entry. Once we get the 5-star sell signal here, I'm going to go short, just below this pivot here, and then it's very simple. We use the manager, which is these dots above the candles, the colored candles, and this bias cloud, to stay in the trade. So we can see the cyan dots on this move down there. This was higher than average volume, move all the way down. And then when we pull back against the trade, we have lower than average volume on the pullback. So we stay in, we wait for that pivot to form. The cloud, the bias is still red, so we're still looking for that, still good for the short. And then we move back down again. So this pivot point's then critical. We've got a good point then to put our trailing stop, as it says here. I've just labeled this chart here. So we've locked in 38 ticks on this gold trade right now, and we're just waiting to see if it can break these lows. We've got profit locked in. We've used the manager to maximize profits and not panic on this pullback. Now we're just seeing it, giving it time, some fresh air to see if it can push down and make more. So just want to look left a little bit. This support and resistance zone is taken from the 15-minute here, and that's why I was really interested in this, because if we look left a little bit now, these are my support and resistance zones that I've got in here. Earlier on, very early in the European session, there was another 4, 5, 6-star sell on gold, another great looking trade there. We can see we had higher than average volume on this one, coming in twice, so that was the time to get out here. So unlike this current pullback, this pullback was higher than average volume, so it's basically saying get out. We had a 6-star buy here, but we've got a lot of resistance. We've got short-term resistance from overnight here. So what I say is, when we get this 6-star buy, we've not got a lot of fresh air up until that point there, so we don't take it. The same with this 6-star buy here. We look left, we've got lots of sort of resistance here. This 5 and 6-star sell was pretty good, but again, I wouldn't have taken that because we don't short into support. So just coming into today's session, really, don't take the 6-star. We're buying into resistance. 4, 5, 6-star sell, take it. 6-star we don't, because we've not got a lot of fresh air. And then 4, 5, 6-star sell, we take it again, and then we're just simply managing this trade from right now. It's simple. There's a lot of calculations that go off in the background for these expert algos and the manager, but in reality it keeps the chart very clean. When you've gone through the training that a 4-star is good, a 5-star is even better, 6-star is fantastic. But when we start to see those 4 and 5-star start to print, we can get that entry below this pivot. That's a recent pivot. That's a recent attempt to move down, and it failed. But now we get the expert algo signals. This is telling us it's a good time to go. So go short below this. We've allowed it to pull back and lower than average volume, and now we have that trading stop there. We're locking in 38 ticks. Let's give it some time. Let's give it some room to actually go. Hopefully this is a quick video, because to be honest, it's that simple. As long as you can put your support and resistance zones in on a higher time frame, and you understand where those support and resistance zones are, and you're not going to take a signal into resistance or support, it's pretty simple. You just follow the signals. If you've got fresh air, get the entry strategy. Again, we've made hundreds of these videos on the expert algo, and then you just simply manage it with a manager. So that's the Cradle to Grave on gold futures this morning.